with some new items. Today is the first day of Vlogmas for this channel. Every day I'm going to try and upload a video up until December 25th per Vlogmas tradition. And yeah, so I'm going to share with you some of the ingredients and things that I got, and maybe a little bit of a hint or idea as to kinds of things that I'll be making with them. So I hope you'll stick around for that. There's some new items from Trader Joe's that are seasonal items. They look really good. I got some potatoes. I got the gold potatoes, which are so good for mashing, for just eating. And I got these Murasaki potatoes, and they are the ones that are purple on the outside, and they're like a yellow off-white kind of color on the inside, yellowish color. And they're also called Japanese potatoes if you get them elsewhere. They're really delicious, so hearty, so kind of sweet, has a sweetness to it. Oh, so good. I got some onions, red onions, sweet onions, garlic. I'm going to use those in recipes. One of the things I have coming up is chili and cornbread. I got some bananas, which I always do, and they had probably the most exciting thing I got at Trader Joe's this time. I walked in and I saw these massive pomegranates. They're huge. Look at this. This is like this, almost the size of my face, right? Like seriously, like these are huge. These are so good. I have a video on how to cut a pomegranate because some people have trouble getting the seeds out, and so maybe they don't buy them. And they were only $5, $4.99 for them. And so of course I got more than one. Meet my other pomegranates. Yeah, so this is exciting. I just love to eat them. I mix them in with my cereals. I throw them into salads. I make sandwiches that are like a salad and a sandwich with a pita pocket, and I throw these in. Like, it's just, oh, they're so good. They add just that burst of flavor, and they also have a chew to them. I don't know. I could go on and on about pomegranates. This is probably going to make about, I'm going to say 2¼ cups of pomegranate seeds. The arils is what they call the fruit in there. Let me know in the comments below how much do you think we're going to get out of this. We're going to get 2 cups, 1½ cups, 1¾ cups. I'm actually going with 2¼ cups up to 2½ cups, because it's like seriously, like it's the size of my face. Okay, enough about pomegranates. I got these, and these are just butternut squashes, and I love that they also like double as weights. So before I make anything with butternut squashes, like these are 3 and 4 pounds. I weighed them. I like to work out with them, pumping produce. I'm gonna make some butternut squash soup with this on with the show. I'm gonna make some butternut squash with these, and so that will be coming up in one of the videos. This again isn't everything that I got, but I'm just kind of giving you the highlights. I mean, are bananas highlights? Yes, they're always highlights. I love bananas. They're so good. So many things. I do use them in baking as well to replace eggs. They had these peppermint, I think they've been in for a few weeks now, but they're the peppermint mini marshmallows, and these ones are always vegan, so yay. I got some date syrup again. I like to use these in my lattes or oatmeal, so many different things. Maple syrup, I'm going to use this in baking along with, I have some agave syrup as well. I got some coconut cream. This is going to be good. I'm going to make some coconut whipped cream, which you can make with coconut cream by freezing it, and I'll show you. That will be coming up. Nutritional yeast, and this is going to be good in savory dishes and things that we make. Well, I got these organic Italian pasta. They're these cute different color patterns, almost like candy cane-ish. Yeah, that's about it. We've got all kinds of holiday themed recipes coming up this month, and I think you'll stick around for that.